this question. Now, generally, guys, whenever you send a bug report to the developer, what is the toughest thing for him? What is the toughest thing for him? Whenever we are sending some bug reports to the developer, what is his problem? Naveen, very good question. How to prepare a bug report? Very, very good question. After everything is over, you are asking this. Developer, what is the toughest part for him? To find where the bug is. Code changes after fixing. Resolving the bug. See, if resolving bug is tough for the developer, then why is he called as a developer, guys? If code changes is tough, then why he became developer, you tell me? You cannot say that what is the toughest part for test engineer means testing. That is absolutely wrong. Boss, developer, he has become a developer because he's good in coding. He can fix the bug. The big problem for any developer is what, you know, once we send some 10 bugs to him, okay, let's assume if you are sending some 10 bugs at a time, 10 bugs at a time, can he decide which bug to fix first? Can he decide that? Correct? No. So for developer, the big problem is to decide which bugs to fix. Okay. See how many bugs to fix, that he'll decide based on his time, that we have already seen. But for any developer, when we send some bug report to him, to decide which bugs to fix and which bugs to fix should be told by test engineer to the developer. Yes or no? Today only I've sent him some 10 bugs, guys. Once I send him the 10 bugs, I should only tell him, boss, which bugs you have to fix first. No. When I have to tell him which bugs to fix first, can I tell orally to him? A developer, fix this, fix this, fix this. Can I tell orally? Okay. Correct? No. That's the reason they say in bug report, we have two important attributes called as severity and there is an attribute called as priority. Okay, so very, very, very important attributes of the bug report. Okay, some 3-4 questions are there which are asked in the interview. I'll cover once this topic is over. On this topic only I'm saying it. So first point is developer decides which bugs to fix first, always based on the severity and the priority. Is the first thing clear? Don't read anything, just observe. Out of the whole bug report, right, he decides which bugs he has to fix based on the severity and priority. Generally, when I say severity, guys, it means what, you know, impact of the bug on the application. Impact of the bug on the application means, compose there is a bug, how severely it is affecting the other modules. Help, there is a bug, how severely it is affecting the other module. Login is not working, how severe it is affecting the application. Logout is not working, how severe it is affecting the application. Are you understanding? Means whatever bug found by the test engineer, how much it is affecting the other modules or the other application. Example, heart is not working. Does it have impact on your body, whole body? Heart is not working. Yes. Let's say one finger is broken. Just a finger is broken. Does it have impact on the whole body? Okay, no. So like that, what is the effect of that bug on the application or the impact of the bug on the application? Let me use both the words, guys. It may be impact or it can be called as effect of the bug on the application. Okay. Priority. Priority is nothing but definition, which bug to fix first. Okay. So now tell me, severity and priorities are same or different? Same or different? Correct? 100% different, guys. So severity is different as well as priority is different. Okay. This is first thing is definition of severity and priority. Next, there are some different levels of severity and priority. Okay, there are some different levels. Severity, when I say, it can be a blocker. I can give it as a blocker, or say it, many company also call it as a showstopper. With example, I'll explain it. Don't worry about this. Okay. So the first severity, I should say the first severity, one type of severity, that's all. It may be blocker, or it may be showstopper, or it may be a critical bug, or the severity is critical, or the severity